Morning gang. I think you've seen the title of the video. Today is going to be a fantastic day. Off to the gym now, up a day, the stars have aligned, up a day, beach, high tide in the evening, food, all the boys are off work. So without further ado, I'm going to drink some pre-workout. Let's get straight into a gorgeous up a day session. Early morning, it's currently 8:15. Let's train. Let's be aesthetic as fuck. Let's be shredded. And let's be ready for this awesome day up ahead. Hell yeah.
To breathe. Sometimes I need you to stay away from me. Sometimes I'm in disbelief, I didn't know. Somehow I need you to go. Don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. What you were changing me into, just giving myself back and don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. Take all your faithlessness with you. Just giving myself back and don't stay. Sometimes I feel like I trusted you too well. Sometimes I just feel like screaming at myself. Sometimes I'm in disbelief, I didn't know. Somehow I need to be alone. Don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. What you were changing me into, just giving myself back and don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. Take all your faithlessness with you. Just giving myself back and don't stay. I don't need you anymore. I don't want to be ignored. I don't need one more day.
Session done. Crazy pumped considering I've literally only had a banana and honey for breakfast and some pre. Hell yeah. Do some cardio, then to the beach. Fuck yeah, let's fucking go. Yeah boys, we're at the beach. Got the boys with us. Beach is pretty busy. This is fucking sick. Let's fucking go for it. Yeah, you get fucking tagged.
If I see a light flashing, could this mean that I'm coming home? If I see a man waving, does this mean that I'm not alone? If I see a light flashing, could this mean that I'm coming home? If I see a man waving, does this mean that I'm not alone?
So we're heading back to the car now. We're gonna go to the ultimate spot where we're gonna have a barbecue. The evening's gonna be so nice. Jump off rocks into the water, cook up some steaks and sausages. Hell yeah, what a day so far. I am a bit sunburnt, but it's been worth it because it's been so fun.
If I see a light flashing, could this mean that I'm coming home? If I see a man waving, does this mean that I'm not alone? If I see a light flashing, could this mean that I'm coming home? If I see a man waving, does this mean that I'm not alone? No.
There. Hold on. Oh yeah. Steak is done.
All the white embroidery like that, it's got the white always sticker there, and then it's got a light.
Oh yeah, they're done. A little bit overdone, but playing it safe because I've been in the cool box all day. Time to put sausages on. Time for the sausages. One glizzy. Two glizzy. Actually, we'll move that one. Three glizzy.
Good seasoning as well.
Four glizzy.
You don't remember that? No? Or you just saying that because you told Jess you told him there? No.
Sausages are almost done. Sausages are looking good. Leaving the beach now. What a day. Woo.
Yes, lads.
Tyres buggered. So boys, this is our dinner. It's pretty much just 3 eggs, 250 grams beef mince, a couple baby potatoes that were leftovers, cheese, a little bit of tomato, chopped tomatoes, and then some peppers and onions. I've eaten a little less than usual today. I know that because obviously I haven't had my usual meals, and obviously I've worked out today, so I need to keep my protein high and get my carbs in, and you know, get some fats in, some eggs, because I've had one pizza slice, some barbecue food, loads of fruit, so that's why there's not loads of carbs in here. There's just 3 or 4 baby potatoes. But yeah, successful beach day. Awesome day out. I'm just gonna eat this now, and then I'll probably have a little mini skier bowl, and then I'll probably go to bed. I'll have a nice cold shower, moisturise, and I will go to bed. Awesome day. So we are finishing the night with 2 kiwis, get those nutrients in, and a mini skier bowl, because you know this is only 180 calories, and and it's a lot of food, and I'm hungry, and yeah, so yeah. Oi, you can see the moon creeping over the hill. That's so cool. Oh yeah, that is awesome. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you don't know already, I've hit 500 subscribers and I am genuinely over the moon. I'm so happy with it. I wanted to hit it before my birthday, which is in a couple days. And it's honestly just such an amazing feeling. I've been going at this like one YouTube video a week, really pushing this social media grind, uploading daily on TikTok. And I'm finally starting to see some positive results. For me, 500 people behind my back cheering me on, that are watching my videos and, you know, helping me out. It gives me such a sense of purpose, and I really feel like I'm inspiring people. And I just want to say, you know, none of this is possible without you guys commenting, motivating me. I want this so bad. It's the thing I think about when I wake up in the morning and when I go to sleep. This is what I want to do, and thank you guys. This is only the beginning of the journey. I promise you there is more to come. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.